Hello my friend, Giuseppe Manzoli, professional private chef. Today I'm going to show you how I refresh my sourdough base. This is the mother. How I got this. I've got this through the fermented water from sultana and fruits. So you see, this is very smelly, and this water is already here from 6 months now, and so if I want to do some fresh sourdough base mother, so I start with this water. But now this sourdough here mother is 5 years old, 5 years, and I refresh it once in a while when I need. So what I do, you see, this water is separated. Now I throw away the water, okay, and I use always clean tools, and here it goes only bread flour, water, and very clean tools. That's it. So got bread flour, and this is how we do. And then before I'm using, I will wait a couple of hours. I'm going to wait a couple of hours that all the ingredients get knowing each other. Okay, and this is fresh water. To be honest, I don't need to do any measurement. I just put together water and bread flour, and that's it. Strong flour. And what I'm doing is this. See? Let's see if the camera work. Yeah. So, and also I learned in one of my courses that I have done with bakers, that we don't need to over mix this initial product. So this is all, and I'm going to use it to do my sourdough bread in a couple of hours, and I let it open that it need to get oxygen. That's all. See you next time. Giuseppe Manzoli, professional private chef, service across Scotland.